Yes, so moving forward, I want to select one of these objectives, and I'll be using messages as an example. I'll be choosing messages as an example. So let's I'll click on messages, right? I want to set an advert for this training. Yes, I want to use this training as an example. Let's assume I want to have a training online and I need to set an advert. So I'll click on messages and it will lead me to the next page. The first thing you must have is your image, uh, the image of your product, the image of the training, the image of what you want to advertise. Number one, your image size must be 1080 by 1080 pixel. 1080 by 1080 pixel. No, by 1080 in pixels. Because if your image is smaller than that size, it may not be approved. To not bring the right visibility for engagement. So you must note that down. So you could choose images from your page, right? You could choose images from your camera roll on your phone. You could choose images from the previous ads you have set, and you could also choose images from your Instagram. So for me, let me choose images from, let's say, my camera roll. I want to look for image of my advert. Okay, let me make use of this. I'll select. So I've selected this particular image for the training. Now these are the stages that we will walk through as we set our advert. We are here, right? So we'll be walking through as we are moving. This blue check will be moving through the 4 steps as we set our advert. So after selecting this image, I will click this arrow that says next. Yes, now I've got my image. The image has appeared here, right? So I'll start to fill other details. So the next thing I'm looking at is, where is my message destination? Where do I want people to go to when people see this my product, when they see my services? Where do I want them to go to so that I can engage them? The first option you have there is messenger. Messenger talks about your messenger on your Facebook. If you want people to come chat with you on your Facebook messenger, you choose that objective. If you want them to come to your WhatsApp business, there's an app that is called WhatsApp for Business. You will download that app. I'm sure most entrepreneurs have it. You download that app, it becomes a WhatsApp. You can use it as a WhatsApp for your business. So you copy the link, you enter it into this particular place where it's needed. So anybody that comes to your advert that clicks will land into your WhatsApp group. That is it for WhatsApp business. Then for Instagram direct is if you want people to come into your DM in Instagram, you choose this destination. Are we good with that? So the next thing is headline. Headline happens to be the one of the most interesting parts. This is where you have to type in what will catch the attention of your audience. The first time they visit your ad, this will probably be one of the first texts they will see on your ad. So you have to write something engaging. So for instance, I want to edit mine. I could put for my tagline, I could put Facebook Masterclass. Can we see? Facebook Masterclass. Then you have a section that is for primary text. Primary text is where you will have to tell us the value that people will stand to gain subscribing for your Facebook Masterclass. So, this is where your skill of content marketing comes in. What is that content that you will write here that once people read it, they'll be attracted to click? Because the truth is, there are thousands of contents online. But what is that thing that once you see, you will take a pause and you will want to check? It could be a discount, something catchy. This is where you can write it, primary text. Okay, let me write mine. For example, I can say take advantage of this ongoing discount of 70%. This is mine. To participate in a Facebook masterclass. Facebook masterclass. Right? So I can put features. I can start to write what they stand to benefit. Let me start with how to set ads on Facebook and Instagram. This is where you tend to sell your product. Let us know the reason why we should look at the advert and say, okay, I think this is worth it. How to make payments, how to make payments, how to make payments. You know, just do your best at selling e-certificate, e-certificate after training. Do you get what I'm trying to say? This is where you will list all your features, right? So once you are done with this section, where your primary text would be, then um, you can come to okay. Here we chose messenger, right? So people will come to your messenger. What it means is that people will come to your messenger whenever they want to talk to you about this advert. They will visit your messenger, right? Okay. So if you want to set up a greeting, maybe once there are people that set autoresponder, maybe once people come to your what is it called now? They come to your inbox. First thing they should say is good day, how can we help you? Blah 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 blah. Some of us, number one, don't customize some of the messages in this place. So when people come, they just keep on saying autoresponder, is asking some relevant questions, and people get bored easily. So one of the things you must do is to set up these messages that appear once people visit your messenger. So let's click this site to see. Now, once people come, the first thing that appears to them is, hi, please let us know how we can help you. If this is not a good what's it called now? If this is not a good first impression for your brand, you can easily come here to edit it and say hi. You know, can even say good day, and thank you for showing good day and thank you for showing interest in our masterclass training. You know, if this is the first, if I am supposed, I if I saw this training and I want to apply for it, and I come to your messenger, if the first thing I see is good day and thank you for showing interest in our masterclass training, it shows that I'm at the right place, right? This is a good proof that okay, I'm at the right place, and it's not just that I will get to a place and an autoresponder will come and ask me, how can I help you? You know, there are some questions that may not sound customized, so we have to customize it. And if need be that you don't need autoresponder because it may be boring, then what you do is you leave it out, you cancel it. But then you can come back again and set your questions, question one, question two, question three. These things are only available in case you are the busy type and you may not be able to quickly respond to people when they come online. That is when you can make use of this. Or under frequently asked questions, you can set up things like how much, questions that you know that they are related to the training. How much is the training? Right? These are likely questions that people will ask. Right? Um, question two. Question two can be question two can be where will I sign up for the training? You know, these are little mistakes that entrepreneurs make, that they are not able to coordinate their leads online. You know, question three can also come up. It must go in line with your content. And under this frequently asked question, you are reading the mind of your leads, of your visitors, and you're looking at it that okay, if I am not online at this moment, what are the major things that these people may ask, right? So, where can I get more details? Where will I sign up for the training? Where or how can I get more details? How can I get more details? Right? So, these are questions that you should put under frequently asked questions, not just come up and ask questions that is not relevant to your training, right? So when you are done with your questions, you come to this blue arrow here and tick it, right? So let me tick. So I've been able to set up the messenger. So in the next video, right, I'll be showing you how to I'll be showing you how to work with this placement and how to integrate your Instagram account to the page. Are we good? Do we have any question? Please let us ask as we move ahead. Remember, we have left the first stage, we are at the second stage now. It is this simple. All you need to do is just to pay a little more details to what you do, and this help will help you out.